Hey, my dears! Welcome to the Grammar Podcast. Put the seatbelt on and let's dive in.
Today, we're going to learn something so incredibly useful for everyday life. We're going to look at exactly how to describe where things are in the world around us. So take a breath and let's just take our time exploring this together.
Okay, let's dive into this. We have a really simple step-by-step plan for today. First, words for place. Second, asking questions. Third, talking about one thing. And finally, number 4, talking about 2 or more things. Let's get to it.
Section 1, words for place. Here, we're going to learn how to pinpoint the exact position of things. So what exactly is a place word? Well, it's just a word we use to show the exact position of a person or an object. You know, when you're looking for your keys or trying to find a coffee shop, you really need these words. They help us answer that super common question, where is it? Let's look at our first 2 words. The first word is in. We use in when something is inside a container or a space. Picture your daily routine. The keys are in my bag. See how that works? Now, our second word is on. We use on for things touching a flat surface. Think of your living room. There is a clock on the wall. Now, what if something is hiding below? For that, we use the word under. For example, imagine your pet hiding. The cat is under the table. And if something is right beside another thing, we use the phrase next to. Imagine you're walking down the street. The shop is next to the bank. Moving right along, the phrase in front of is for things that are forward from something else, like looking out your front window. The car is parked in front of the house. Now, the exact opposite of that is behind. When something is at the back, we say behind. Think of your kitchen. The bin is behind the door. Okay, our last 2 place words are between and near. We use between when a thing is right in the middle of 2 other things. Picture your desk right now. The pen is between the book and the laptop. And we use near for things just a short distance away, like I live near the library. These simple little words, they're literally your map to the world. All right, section 2, asking questions. We're going to look at using where and what is in. So, imagine you're looking for your pet. To find just one single person or object, we start our question with the word where. Listen to this simple question. Where is the cat? To answer that, we just use those place words we learned earlier. It is under the table. That word under gives us the exact spot, so we know exactly where to look. But what if we want to know about everything inside a place? Well, we use a different type of question. We use the phrase, what's in? Like this. What's in your bag? We can answer that by just making a simple list. In my bag, there's a pen, a phone, and my keys. Notice how we start the answer with the place itself, in my bag? It just sets the scene perfectly. That brings us to section 3, one thing. We're making sentences with there is. And this brilliantly illustrates just how easy it is to build a sentence. Let's build a complete one together, step by step. Step 1, we start with there is. Step 2, we add our object, a cat. And step 3, we add our place, under the table. Put it all together and we have a perfect sentence. There is a cat under the table. Now let's look at how to say yes and how to say no. For a yes statement, we say, there is a hospital near here. But if the answer is no, actually, we simply change the word is to isn't. There isn't a hospital near here. It's such a tiny change, but it completely changes the whole meaning. Now, to turn this into a question, we use a very simple trick. We just swap those first 2 words. Instead of there is, we ask, is there? Listen to how that sounds. Is there a bin behind the door? Here we are at section 4, 2 or more things, making sentences with there are. So, the absolutely crucial point here is understanding the difference between one thing and many things. When we have just one, we say there is a hospital. But when we have 2 or more things, 2 important rules change. First, we change is to are. Second, we add the word some. There are some shops. Let's really carefully compare these rules. When you want to make a positive yes statement about many things, use some. There are some keys in my bag. However, for a negative no sentence, we change are to aren't, and this is super important, some changes to
any. There aren't any cars next to the park. Finally, when asking a question, we also use any. Are there any trees near your house?
You know, we've covered so much ground today. You know your place words, and you know exactly how to build perfect sentences for one thing or many things. You've literally got the tools to describe your entire world now. So, it's your turn to practice. Step outside, look around. What's in your area? Are there any shops near you? Thanks so much for tuning into this explainer today. Keep practicing, and I'll catch you next time.
If you like this video, write in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
And if you'd like to practice more, click the link up here to jump into the next English lesson.